Okay, good morning students. Today we discuss about the solution for your pt2 science. Discuss the chemistry questions. One by one we discuss. If you have problem in any question, you can watch this video and solve it. Okay, question number 1 is related to section A. In that subatomic particle is difference. Question number 3. Okay, it is set number 1. Question number 3 is when ion is formed from atom, number of which subatomic particle change. So we discuss the atom. If atom A is there, it is converted to ion. Suppose it is converted to A plus ion by removal of 1 electron. Similarly, atom A, by taking 1 electron, it is converted to negative ion. So your question is, which subatomic particle change? So answer is what? There is change in formation of electron. So which particle change here? In atom we have proton, neutron and electron. So when it is converted to ions, there is removal and addition of electron. So answer is what? Electron. So there is change in the electron when atom is converted to ions. Second question, that is question number 4. This method is used for separation of component of dye. Which method is used for component of dye? Dye means what? It is color. So for separation of color, which method is used? For separation of color, mostly chromatography is used. Chromatogram means color. So chromatography. This chromatography method is used for separation of color as well as organic compound. The different chromatography is there. Paper chromatography, column chromatography. In the industry, mostly by this method, from its retention time, we can find which dye it is. Next is question number 8. Emulsion. Emulsion, we have to find dispersion phase and dispersion medium. Dispersion phase and dispersion medium means dispersion phase means what? The component which is less in amount in the solution, and dispersion medium means solvent, means component which is in more amount. So less amount is known as dispersion phase and more amount, that is known as dispersion medium. So here dispersion medium is liquid and dispersion phase is also liquid and it is emulsion. So emulsion is nothing but it is liquid plus liquid. Okay. If component both is liquid, solute and solvent both is liquid, then it is known as emulsion. Remember this. Question number 10. This is page number. Question number 10. Fractional distillation. Use of fractional distillation. Simple distillation means what? Suppose mixture is there and we want to separate the component of that mixture. Then we have to evaporate it, give heat to that particular component. Then it goes to the condenser. And we can again get back that particular component. That is known as distillation. Okay, boiling and then condensation. Fractional distillation is a method in which if boiling point of particular component or particular compound is very near to each other, then we have to use fractional distillation. Fractional distillation means what? Column is there. On the condenser, one column is there connected. So, depending upon the density difference, first evaporation take place, but again condensation will take place in fractionating column. One long column is there. So, if boiling point is very near to each other, then we can separate by this fractional distillation. Okay? Fractional distillation is the method used for particular separation of compound whose boiling point is very near to each other. Then this fractional distillation. If different boiling point is there, then we can use simple distillation. Question number 13. Which type of solution gives Tyndall effect? Question number 13, that is called Tyndall effect. In Tyndall effect, when light is reflected from a particular solution, its component, again it is reflected. Okay, glowing will take place. Solution is there, and you throw or pass light from it. Then again that light is reflected from that particular particles or component. Then that is known as Tyndall effect. As for example, during night time, if you are driving, and you can see the cone of that headlight is because of light first fall on the dust particle on the road, and again it will reflect it back. So that type of particle is known as colloidal particle, and effect which is reflecting back, that is known as Tyndall effect. And cone which is formed, whole shadow that is formed, that is known as Tyndall cone. Similarly, milk is a colloidal solution. Okay, light cannot pass through it, again it will reflect back. So that type of solution, that is known as colloidal effect, and colloidal solution shows this Tyndall effect. Okay, Tyndall effect is nothing but reflection of light from colloidal particle. That is question number 13. Now we discuss another question related with 3 mark. Okay, 3 mark question we will discuss. Okay, question number 21. That is, first one is the density. What is density? Density means the ratio of mass by volume. Okay, weight by volume. Mass by volume means what? Weight by volume. Mass will measure in kilogram, and volume centimeter cube or in liter. Suppose standard, then you write meter cube. So kilogram per meter cube, kilogram per centimeter cube, that is the density. Water has a density 1. If density comes less than 1, then that particular substance floats on water, and if density is greater than 1, then it will sink down in water. Next is, water droplets are seen on the bottle. The cold water, if it is kept out from the freezer, then after few time water droplets are condensed on the outer side of the bottle, is because of condensation. Okay, humidity is present inside our room. If you take cold water bottle, then temperature of the surface of the water is very very cold. So from the atmosphere, water vapor or humidity will condense, it will join together and convert it into liquid state. But it is nothing but it is condensation process. Condensation on the surface of cold water bottle. That's why water droplets are seen. Next question is related with this sum. Question number 22. Question I am reading. A solution of sodium sulfide in 500 gram of water of mass percentage 12. Then calculate the mass of sodium sulfate. So here we discuss sodium sulfate, Na2SO4. This you have to find. Suppose it is equal to X. Is made in 500 grams of water. 500 grams of water. Water is equal to 500 grams. Percentage, mass percentage means weight by weight. It is given 12. we want to find if the concentration is 12% weight by weight, then how many grams of sodium sulfate is added in 500 grams of water. So formula is percentage weight by weight is equal to weight of solute upon total weight, suppose x plus y, into 100. Okay, this is equal to suppose y. Then 12 is equal to x upon x plus 500 into 100. So this is the formula. Percentage mass by mass means weight by weight is equal to weight of solute or weight of component upon total weight of a solution, x plus y into 100. So this is the sodium sulfate and this is sodium sulfate plus water. So we put the values. This equation, this you take on one side, then it is 12x plus 16 in this is equal to x means 100x. Okay, 100x. If you take 100x on other side, 100x on other side, then it will be 82. 100 minus 12, then it will be what? 88x is equal to 6000. So x is equal to 6000 divided by 88. Okay, whatever answer comes, that will give the mass percentage of sodium sulfate. How much gram of sodium sulfate is added in water to get 12% solution. Next one, very important when we discuss, that is 5-mark question, that is related with the electronic arrangement. So one by one we discuss the. Okay, we will start. What will be the electronic arrangement in atomic number 6 to 10? So number 6 is nothing but carbon. Its atomic arrangement or electronic arrangement we will discuss. Carbon, if it is 6 number, then it is 2, configuration is 2, 4. Similarly 7 number, that is nitrogen, configuration is 2, 5. Similarly oxygen, 8 number, then it is 2, 6. Okay, fluorine, then 9 number, then it is 2, 7 electrons left. And last one, that is 10 number, that is neon, and configuration is 8. Now we have to draw the configuration. It is very simple. Your first cell, that is N cell and L cell. If you write, the first one is the nucleus, second circle is the S orbit. In S orbit or in K cell, 2 electrons is there, so you write 2 electrons. Similarly, in second cell there are 4 electrons. So in second circle you have to draw total 4 electrons. Similarly, in all other you have to draw same. Suppose we draw the fluorine or neon. Same way you have to draw. First one is the nucleus, second circle that is orbital. In N cell total 2 electrons is there, 2 electrons. And in neon, in the outermost cell, 8 electrons is there. So 2 and 8, 10 electrons. So in outermost cell, we have to draw total 8 electrons. So this is the electronic arrangement of particular atom in the outermost cell. Cell means what? A, L, M, N cell. First cell is 2 electrons, second cell is 8 electrons, series unit number 2, 8, 8. And you have to draw this type of electronic configuration for atomic number 6, means from carbon to 10. 10 means what? Neon. Question number last, that is in or, that is you have to find number of proton, electron and neutron in atomic number 15. So I am drawing proton, neutron. atomic number 50. I am writing the name of atomic number 11. Suppose 11 number is there, then it is sodium. 12 number, then it is magnesium. 13 number, then it is aluminum. 14, then it is silicon. And 15 number, then it is phosphorus. Remember this number: sodium, magnesium, aluminum, silicon and phosphorus. This electron, proton and neutron you have to. First we write the electron and then we write the proton. Electron in neutral atom is same as that of proton. Whatever number is given, that much electron or proton is there. So here electron is 11, proton also 12 and 12, 13 then 13, 14 then 14, 15 then 15. If atom is converted to ions, then this electron will be, if it is converted to positive ion, then electron will be less. And if atom is converted to negative ion, electron will be more. Now we come to the neutron, number of neutrons. How you can calculate the number of neutron can be calculated if you know the mass number. Okay, what will be the atomic weight of particular atom? So first we designate the sodium. Sodium is designated as sodium 1123. So its weight is 23. This weight is nothing but it is proton plus neutron. So if you subtract the 11 from this, then you will get the weight of neutron. So here you subtract 11, the answer is coming 12. So neutron, sodium has 12. Similarly magnesium 12. Aluminium number is 13 and 27. The aluminium 13 and 27. Proton is 13. So neutron is 14. And total is coming 27. Similarly magnesium 12 and 13 means it is 25 approximately. Okay, if mass number is known, then we can find the weight. Similarly silicon 14, phosphorus 15, 30. Directly you can find 15 and 30. So total 15 neutrons are there. So it is simple. If you know the mass number or atomic weight of particular element, then you can find the neutron. Why? Because total weight is depending upon the summation of proton and neutron. Proton plus neutron, that is gives atomic mass number A. Remember this: proton plus neutron, then atomic mass number A. And atomic number is nothing but this number, that is Z. This is nothing but Z. Whatever addition of P plus N, that is equal to atomic mass number A. So in this way you have to find proton, neutron and electron in a particular element. If you know the atomic number and mass number, then you can find the proton, neutron and electron. Okay, revise this in your notebook. Okay, next time we discuss the set 2. Okay, of pt2 exam.